Hello, my name is Chris Leong and I'm Chief Marketing Officer of Schneider Electric. And I'm honored to share with you how Schneider lives and breathes sustainability, delivering our measurable impact for our business, employees, customers, community, and our planet. We call this the Schneider Planet and Society Barometer. It is our holistic commitment where we track our sustainability ambition against our 2050 long-term goals. And I'm proud to share with you some great results. 100% of our products are designed with Schneider Eco-Design Way, which is optimized for repair, maintenance, refurbishment, and end-of-life recycling. 100% of our new customer large projects with CO2 emission are induced and avoided with Schneider Electric solutions or measured. And zero waste landfill was implemented in over 130 industrial sites. This resulted in over 168,000 tons of CO2 emission avoided. On the people and community front, we are proud that 89% of Schneider employees work in countries with a gender pay equity plan. Our Access to Energy Development Program has delivered electrification in 63 villages in India with 47 microgrids and 8 multi-energy solar power plants in West Africa. And together with our Schneider Electric Teachers NGO, we have achieved over 1,300 missions and 148,000 people in underprivileged communities have been trained in energy management. At Schneider, we are guided by bold ideas. We want to take full advantage of our position at the epicenter of energy transition fueled by digitization. We want to create a sustainable ecosystem that fights climate change, respects human rights, and provides equal opportunity for all. We call this Life is On. What is your bold idea?